Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is Instagram reach and analysis prediction. We have created this web application using Streamlit, which is used to predict the impression of an Instagram profile. So there are some parameter which takes the input from the user and it is used to predict the impressions. So we will use some dummy values to predict the impression. So for example, we will put here 50 as likes and then we will use 10 for save, 45 for comment, 15 shares. Profile visit we will use, let's say 60, and 100 follows. Then we will click on this predict impression button, and as you can see, it gives the output. The impression on your account are 10,230 point something. You can also see the source files by clicking on this files option, where you can see the app.py file and this pickle file which is used to make this model. So you can also access the source code by clicking on this app.py file, and you can see all the code written to make this UI. So who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.